Have you ever been inspired by a simple design or logo? Well, Two Little C's has got me excited for a new design. Join me for a Coco Chanel inspired design. So I looked up some stuff about Coco Chanel, and it's quite a fascinating story she has. And she's created quite a following, of course, with her designs. She's one of the most recognized fashion designers in the world. She seems to like things that are very delicate and very classic, and that's what we're going to try to do here. So black, white, and gold is part of her design. So I've already painted some black on my nails, as you can see, and I've used the Fusion product. This particular pink color is called Work Bitch, and this beautiful sparkle color is called Rockstar. And the other two are black. And my thumb, I put Work Bitch and Rockstar together. So, being that it's Paris, I'm going to break out my stamping plates and see what we've got to inspire us. And I was looking through, and I think what's going to work is, I have so many now. I kind of like this. She likes a Baroque design, Chanel that is, and I kind of like these little ones up here. So we'll put that one aside. And I think we're going to try this pattern in here. One of these up here, maybe. I'm going to work with some of the lines, I think, in here. Maybe these ones up here. All these stamps here are from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is the Paris plate. Okay. And of course, the colors are going to set the tone for this whole design. Here's the little charms that I'm working with. We're now going to create a backdrop so that gem just pops. Let me start with the stripe. This one I'm really excited about. So I've got this pink nail, as you can see. So I'm going to put the stripe right down the center, smack dab in the center. I think I'm going to do that in black. I always get black as the big jar because you use so much black. Black and white are the biggest jars I buy. I'm going to go with the thin one. I'm painting away because it's better to paint the opposite way that you're going to scrape. And I think the easiest is going to be this way. So I'm going to press it down. See how it lifts? Oh, it lifted pretty good. You want to hold that down and press it so the design lifts right in there. Awesome. I'm going to put the gem in the center, so that's going to look good. Just sort of figuring it out as I go, which is what art is all about, and that's what I love about it. So I kind of looked at these other ones on this other side, and those are very sophisticated looking. They're in a lot of fashion patterns that I see. So maybe let's try a lighter color. Now I'm trying to match this pink. See this pink? This nail polish is almost identical. Look how close that is. That might look really cool stamped on here. So I think what I'm going to do is to bring the silver in, because I think I'm going to pick the silvery charm. I think we should do this. See this little plate? I like this. Those two there. Paint it away from me because I'm going to scrape it toward me. It's just easier. And just a flick of the wrist to pick it up. Yeah, look at that. That looks cute, actually. So the little Eiffel Tower really is adorable. Let's check that out. And if it gets little stray paints, you just pick them up with your other fingers. Just kind of get rid of it before you stamp it on. I'm going to stamp this on the thumb. that's so cute. Okay, so I think the only other thing I'm going to do with the stamping, I'm almost done with the stamping now. I'm just going to clean up a stamping pad. Okay. And I was thinking of trying this design because it's rather classic on the pinky. But I think I'll have to do it I'll try it in the lighter. Oh, I think I grabbed this darker pink color. It was a little more intense in color, the same type of tone, but a little more intense just so we can maybe see it a little bit better. Okay, let's try that and see what it looks like. I'm even dancing back and forth between these two different designs. But to keep it delicate, let's go here. It's a small finger, so I don't need a huge area. You want to scrape in the opposite direction. It's not a real heavy scrape. And then you just pick up ever so lightly. There you go. You want to get it relatively straight too. Don't do it on too hard of an angle. Oh, I gotta press down. It's hard to press on my pinky. Oh, that's cute. So sometimes you can overdo a design. And I thought I was done with the stamping, but I see something I think I got to have. I'll just show you. It's very cute. This is so cute. It's adorable. Hold it for a sec, make sure it gets in there. Isn't that cute? And to drill it home even more, I'm going to add one more thing. I'm going to just add it here. Now that says Paris. Too cute. Okay, now I'm done with stamping. Okay, let's just put this away. I'll clean it up later. Okay, so I've got quite a little Paris theme going on. So I have learned when you do the long stripy ones, you got to go quite straight as you place it onto the nail. Otherwise you get a little wobble. So I have a little wobble, but I am going to put the gem right in that spot. So I'm going to cover up my mistakes. That's a great nail tech thing to do. It's troubleshooting at its finest. Okay, so I've got a nice brush here I'm going to use. This brush is by Fusion. And I'm going to use a hard gel that they have to be able to cure this little gem right on that spot. So I have two choices. This is a crucial decision. Cameraman, you might have to help me. See the choices? This is the Chanel. He'll never know what this is. This is the Chanel logo. See that? The two little C's together?
They're a perfume company, aren't they?
Yes, you're right. Chanel No. 5. You've seen the commercials.
I've seen something about them.
Okay. So the two little C's stands for Coco Chanel, which is not her real name, actually. It was a nickname for her. She was singing a song with Coco in it when she was a kid. Anyway, this is the C's, and I have a choice between the silver and gold, but I got to be honest with you. I don't know if I need you now, cameraman, because I think I'm going to go with the silver.
Well, which nail are you going on?
This one here, remember, right in the center?
Oh, right.
You see, there's no gold happening in here. We got a silver and black and pink motif, so I think I'm going to stick with the silver. So I'm just going to get a little bit of a hard gel, and I'm going to place it just a little bit. It's just enough to hold the two C's. I don't want to get a line when I leave. That's what I'm trying to avoid. See that? There we go. And I'm going to pick it up with my finger because I forgot to get a proper thing. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put the shiny coat on now, so I don't have to put it around the C, around the gems. I don't really like doing that. So I'm going to put it on now. I do want it to have a nice shiny finish. That stripe, and I think sort of classic designs like this really do lend to a shiny look. You know, there's no matte really back in the day. Okay, so now I'm gonna place my little C's right on top of that bump. Oops. I think my nails are too long to pick up little tiny gems. I'm gonna drop it down on there. I'm gonna make sure it's straight before I nuke it. Now, sometimes I can't see it because I'm too far away. I think that's good. Hey, Caramel, can you tell if it's straight?
Not from my angle, no, because I'm on the side.
Yeah.
But hey, it's got to be close enough, right?
I think that's good. So when I feel like I have it nice and straight, I'm going to nuke it before it moves. I'm going to need 60 seconds for that. Okay. So now I'm just going to top coat them all so they have a nice shiny finish. And like I say, I think I'm picking this shiny finish because I think it's a little more classic. Matte is more for like a rough, tough design. Although it does look good on pastels, and that's not really rough and tough, is it? And I'm just gonna top coat everybody to seal the colors in. Don't want to forget about my thumb. Great. Cute, nothing red on the edges. Okay, I'm gonna give it a nuke, and now we're ready to see a reveal on the Coco Chanel Hale. Well, that has inspired me now. I think I want to go to Paris. Hey, Caraman, want to go to Paris?
Why not?
Why not? We might as well see it in person. Well, those are really cute. It's amazing what one little charm can inspire. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.